fire truck. This is gonna be something there.
Playing with some of Grandpa's toys, huh?
Yeah.
Is this some of the stuff from the old house you still have? Is it for toys? You got those
Here's
Legos?
another one.
Do you still have those Legos from a long time ago, Grandma?
Yeah, we do.
Really?
You think
Those-
he'd like them? Some of them are kind of...
They're too small for him now.
yeah, right. We still have them.
Those are from Dad and Brian. They played with those, right?
Right. They used to play with them. Most of this is something I picked up at garage sales.
Yeah, some of this stuff looks pretty new. I remember this fire truck.
That's
though.
a fire truck, yes. There's one. Oh, this one is one I was looking for. No, not that one. Oh, my.
Oh, look at that.
You got toys? Wow. He's like, all right, I got what I wanted.
Where that other one went.
He's like, I got what I wanted.
Here.
I got toys.
I got toys.
Yeah. Grandma's got a lot of
Choo-choo
toys, huh?
Choo-choo chains.